your bank wants you to stay poor. Hindi sa ayaw nilang yumaman ka, but because the system profits when you don't fully understand how money works. Naturuan kang mag-save, pero never kang tinuruan paano mag-invest. You learn how to pay bills, pero never kang tinuruan how your money can make more money. Ang resulta? Most of us spend decades working harder instead of making our money working smarter. Financial freedom does not start with a big paycheck. It starts with financial literacy. If you learn the skills they never taught you, then your future self will surely thank you. I'll see you on my next video.